and this is just a short little video with a small workflow improvement that I'm using I thought might benefit others. So I'll just show you that real quick here. Many of you may have seen this great video from William Foucher on how to enable the RTXGI for Unreal Engine 4.27 so that you can get some of these lumen type effects. I was really excited when I ran across this. I forgot all about this plugin, and I'm using 4.27 for my project, and was sad about missing out on the lumen features. And I remember seeing this plugin maybe a year ago or something, when it wasn't a plugin, when it was required a whole engine compile, I believe, or maybe it was even before it was available. Regardless, I remember seeing the demos from Nvidia, being really excited about this, and then I forgot all about it until I saw this video. So I put it in, followed these instructions. It's super easy and really has improved my my project a lot. And so this these console commands are how you enable the whole thing, and I found this to be kind of a pain in the ass to remember these and to type them all out and stuff. So I looked into how I could make this a little bit more automatic. So here's my project, and I've got a editor utility blueprint that I'm using to turn these on. So let me just show you how you make one of those. Just like that, editor utility blueprint. And I'm using the one that's called editor utility object. So that's the base class, or the parent class rather. You make one of those, you open it up, and I'm following these instructions here. So this is a page that tells you how you can get this thing to run whenever your project starts up. So following these instructions, we're going to make one of those editor utility objects and then override the run command. Simple as this. Go over here, override, and you get a run command, and then you type your console commands. Just like that. So I've got one I've already made here. It looks like this, and got my run command and my two console commands, and then a print statement that says enabled. So once you create that, you can right click and run this, and you'll see these effects of this plugin. Beautiful. And how do you get this to run when you start up? Well, you need a file in a console, one of these kinds of ini files, and that's described here. So it says you need to find and edit this ini file for your project. That's going to be in your config folder. I don't have one of those, so I'm going to create one. Just do like such, paste the name here, and then we'll edit that. Visual Studio Code, and just put in here things that it tells me to put. Paste. That's a little category, and this is for my object. Now obviously my object has a different name, so I need to change this to the name of my object. So let's go get the name. I'm going to hit F2 like I'm going to rename it, copy, escape, and then go back over to my text editor and replace and replace. And so now this will start up. Once I save this file, the next time I open my project, it will execute that and it will do those effects. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole of this little video. Thanks again for joining me. Hope that was a little bit helpful for somebody, and have a great afternoon.